What's crack-a-lacking, guys? Here the next day. We went to go make a deal right now. Don't look at my tilichero, guys. I have to clean up. But yeah, so we ended up, these are my EP3 wheels. We ended up trading them up and then some cash for some wheels for the EG. So we're gonna go ahead and load those up in the CRV, have those ready. When I get off of work, we're gonna go drop off those wheels. And it looks like almost all the stuff is almost in for the EG, so we can put it back together. Sheesh. Ya va la cosa, ya va la cosa. So yeah, let's quickly load those up and then head over there later after work and we should be good. All right, guys, aquí andamos en el pinche discount. Ya se hizo el trato. Sheesh. Some conings. Straight trade for the EP3 SIs. But we ended up, I need some cash, you know.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
But esta la cosa, right now we're just gonna take them home y ya estuvo. Sheesh. Shout out to the cuz for helping it up, hooking it up. Ni saben, güey, va a estar el YouTube video. Alright, guys, ya llegamos aquí a la house. Bajamos los wheels. Mauri is test fitting one. Let's see how it fits. Sheesh. Ahí están los nuts, ¿no? En el sol. Oh, they're right here. Only two. Más así with your hand. Oh. There you go. Sheesh. Dang, killer. Se mira bien killer. That's right. Ahí va el project. But yeah, guys, we're not going to put them on until we finish the car. Some of the empaques came in today, so we're going to go ahead probably when I'm come back, when it gets a little bit come back from the store. I'm going to finish up and try to see if I can put the crank seal on and then retorque the clutch and the flywheel and then see if we have enough time to put the transmission on. If not, tomorrow the transmission, but at least we're gonna have those seals done and put brand new 2 axle seals on the transmission and we should be good. We have por ahorita. That's it, the car. Dang, it looks nice. Like it. No manches, guys. I ended up losing the footage of me doing the rear main seal. That is some BS, pero pues ya que. This is the aftermath after I put the flywheel on, the rear main seal, and started torquing everything down. Yeah, hopefully you guys can forgive me and watch this. Let's go ahead and do that. So yeah, got my Quinn torque wrench from Harbor Freight set to 60 pounds. Let's go ahead and torque them. We're gonna torque them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh shoot, hopefully you guys saw that. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's go ahead and do that, and then once they're torqued, I'll let you guys know. All right, guys, we ended up putting on the flywheel. Now we put on the clutch. All we did was put the clutch disc in there with this, and he just held it up, and then my brother held up the actual clutch, and now I'm just hand tightening it. Wait, I'm done pinche this thing. Here we go. So then we're gonna torque these to 19 foot-pounds. Vamos a ver cómo sale. ¡Chuchau! Como dice uno por ahí. ¡Chuchau!
¡Ajá! ¡Se mamó!
Es un amigazo allá en el TikTok. ¡Chuchau! That guy's fucking funny. If you guys have seen it, that shit is hilarious. Ah, all right, Marty, where's that big bolt that I had last time? Is it over there in the box? Or is it in there? In that box over there? No manches, guys. Parecemos CD rayado. Doing this again. Pero no pasa nada. Así aprende la gente. But yeah, guys, go ahead and always clean your bolts off. I'm using my little wire brush right here to clean them. And then we're gonna go ahead and slap this on in one of the holes. Again, this is an AC bolt, or you could also use an alternator bolt depending on which one you have. But yeah, screw it in all the way, and it's gonna hold the clutch in when you give it pressure when you're torquing it. So it's gonna screw in all the way hasta que tope, and it should prevent the flywheel from turning. A lot of people use screwdrivers, but I'm like, dude, you can literally use an alternator bolt. These are spare ones that I have from builds, so I ain't even tripping. Yeah, I'm in a black torque wrench from in there. It's in a black box, really right there. Okay, so first one, we're gonna set it to 10 foot-pound. This one's another Pittsburgh one, but this one's a cheap one, the Cipollino. So we're gonna set it to 10 foot, and then we're gonna set it 14, and then we're gonna set it to finishing 19. So vamos a dar 3 vueltas. Yeah, for those of you guys who don't know. So let's quickly get that going. All right, guys, I ended up torquing it all to 19 foot-pounds of torque. So I went start pattern 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now we're taking off the alternator bolt that was holding the clutch from spinning.
One eternity later.
So ahí va la cosa. So we are good right here. Cheers. Let's go ahead and take this out. Look at that. That's how it's supposed to come out, guys. Like, watch this. You're supposed to be able to put it back right in and out. In, out. Look.
That's what she said.
Last time I had done one of these, this was so hard to take off, but check that out. Boom. That's how you know you did it right. Pero yeah. Ay, wait, me piqué. Okay. Whew. We have to take off. Next thing, put the seals on the transmission. So let me quickly grab those. Those seals are right here. There's another one in there, Marty. Grab it. That's literally right here, la puse. All OEM Honda, pa que se fijen. This one is I think this is the smaller one, so passenger side. And this is the bigger one, driver side. Or the other, vice versa. But yeah, that's the part number. And they go right dangly here. So I'm gonna quickly spray this down. As you guys can see, it's really nasty in there. So I'm gonna spray it down, and then we're gonna put a seal on. So let's quickly get our blaster right here and start spraying. All right, guys, ahí está the part on. Sorry, you guys. Yep, the one for the passenger side, I believe. No. So passenger one is P1905 PC9 for the S4C tranny. So I went ahead and hammered it in with this. Slowly tapped it on each side until it came out flush. Now that we have it flush, we can go ahead, since we're not going to install it quite yet. Oh shoot. Gonna go ahead and taparlo. Let's do the other side with the 91205 PL3A01. And then I just sprayed a little bit of brake cleaner on it just to clean it with a napkin stuck in there. So yeah, let's do the other side real quick and get that done. And we have our handy dandy work light. All right, guys, ahí quedó la cosa. Check it out. That's one of them. You just set them flush. We double checked on the other transmission just to make sure. And here is the other one. We're gonna go ahead and tape them. Because it looks like they have grease right here. So I don't want to get that grease. Let me see. What the hell? Just to clean that out, para que quede más nicely dicely. Guys, the heck? What's in there? There we go, skis. Now time to clean up. Clutch, flywheel, all in. Perfect condition. Oh, by the way, I didn't know if I mentioned, but that's a lighter flywheel from Excetti. And then the Excetti clutch And now we just have to take some parts. I was taking off the wheel. I was looking at this and it's ripped. I have to go ahead and take that off. But then I also was looking and it looks like the bearing has been changed. So that's a good sign. Less work for us. Longer the car will last. All right, guys. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Hope you guys are taking something out of it. Right here, I'm just pretty much wrapping it up. Honestly, I was so tired, guys. There's some more things that are coming in before we go ahead and slap that transmission in. But hopefully, guys, on the next video, we get it in and secured. But, yeah. Hope you guys liked it. Y como dice una chiquitita por ahí. Ciao, ciao.